So, it's Friday. I spent the majority of my day today putting on bar grills that I welded up before Great Western War. I still didn't do all of them. I mean, I mount them all, but spent the majority of my day doing that and then taking photos of them and putting them up online. And the girls are inside hanging out, waiting for me to come inside to be like hanging out with them, I guess, drinking wine or something. So, God, I hate I can't see the bottom of the screen because I don't know how to turn that fucking list thing off. God damn, that sucks. So I was gonna do a live video. I think this is my helmet. We'll see. The final rivet. Been working on this helmet for a long fucking time. To be honest with you, I feel like I've been working on this helmet my whole entire armoring career. There's some things that I could have done a little bit better because I forgot. I knew that I needed to do them, but then I forgot. It's part of my fucking disorder. I could barely get it on. That's the beauty of building your own helmet, is you can make it so you can barely fucking put it on, right? You're like, fuck, I can't put it on. So the only thing that might stop this from being my helmet is, one, I sold my fucking trailer so I can get a welder, and I need a trailer for the shop to go to events. But more so, you gotta bring that hole out a little bit. I would sell it because it really is about a pound heavier than I'm used to, and maybe a pound and a half heavier than I'm used to. And it's like I can just build another helmet that's not as heavy. So this helmet would have been done a long time ago had the welder not broken, but the welder broke. So both welders actually broke. We were not going to get into that. It was a sad time. So I did some firsts on this. Never did a twisty crest before. These ear holes are something that has been sitting, literally drawn and cut out as a pattern for 3 years. 2018. Yeah, maybe 3 years, maybe longer. You know, the twisty brass crest, which is going to be like the really eye draw, was an accident. I was actually talking to Anton about taking brass wire and braiding it and doing the twisty shit that he does with his jewelry, and then figuring out how to sink a rivet through it and use the twisties as the crest. And the problem is like when you drill a hole to put the rivet in, you're going to drill a hole through how many pieces of wire is that going to work? And while we were IMing, I was like looking at this chunk of brass and I was like, I'm gonna fucking twist that brass to put it on the helmet. So that's what I did. And then the face grill was actually for somebody else's helmet. And then they changed their mind. So I was gonna put, well, I don't know where it is. I have an octopus grill somewhere. I was gonna put an octopus grill in it, and I was like, you know what? I'll fucking put a Force Hammer grill in there. So, for those of you who don't know, I traded my helmet last year at Great Western War, my Viking helmet, and then I built my self-esteem helmet, the Soleil, and then the outfit for the sleigh isn't done yet, so I haven't been really able to fight because I can't just go out hodgepodge. So I was like, fuck, I'm getting antsy. Angie's getting like freaked at me because I'm not going to fighter practice, and so I was like, I need to finish this Viking helmet that I started. So here we go. I dilly-dallied long enough. I explained some things. Oh well, you know, I used the reason why the helmet's so heavy is I did thick brass. Like, I mean, those ear things. That was like an 1/8-inch plate that I ground down into that. A smart man would have cast a couple carved some waxes and cast them, but I have a feeling I'm never going to put sun ears holes on a helmet again. And then the eyebrows are also out of 1/8-inch plate. The crest, I don't know. I did hollow the backside of the crest out some. But to be honest with you, I don't think that really did anything. I'm a little tweaked because it won't lay down in one spot all the way. I don't know. I might take the rivet back out and see if I can seat it better. But sometimes these crests just do that. They get so stubborn because the brass gets work hard so quickly. So without further ado, I'll peen my rivet. It is done. I might need to bang that on the bowling ball a little bit. Does it look good? I could tell you guys a story about a dude that says I made his helmet too big and he's got 3 inches of padding all the way around in it. Which is not even fucking possible, but we're not going to get into that. So, there it is. This is my new D&D helmet. Really cool? Alright. Happy Friday. The humidity for Arizona today is out of fucking control. What the fuck are you talking about, Becca? I'm gonna continue to rub this out. I'm taking some of the antiquing off. I really like the
if the 90s were a car wash,
the more computer. You know, I might hit it on the buffer. If I hit it on the buffer, it gives it a tarnished silver look. So I don't know. We'll see. There's a Sharpie mark right there. I'm gonna have to get some stuff. It's gotta be like 11 pounds, 10 pounds. I'm gonna take it inside him. Go see what his Mania and Angie are doing. It's girls' night. This is fucking Crash Test Dummies. That's my cue to get out. Have a good Friday.